What's wrong, Kaylin? Is he getting you?
I'm so scared.
The attack of the camels. Holy smell. He's got your cap.
Where did that one come from?
This was all the way in the car. I think it's going to have to go home with us.
No, you can't have the cup.
Oh my gosh. Justin, you got another one. You got 3 of them now.
Oh, you got the cup. You got the cup.
Y'all, Kaylin! 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 Holy crap!
You have any more from there? Yeah.
I have one piece in my hand. Well, look at all the stuff in the. You need to start throwing that stuff out.
I'll feed it to them.
Okay, feed it to them.
Or else they'll eat it.
Well, we got a car behind.